This is a tutorial on the LVDT tensile testers used in the Tensile Test Lab for the MAE 3340 instrumentation class. Set up the lab using the lab instructions. Depending on the model of the LVDT signal conditioner you are using, you will need to interface it with the MIDAC differently. For the NTC 6000 model, you will need 2 extra connector wires, and for the LPC 2000 model, you will need to plug it into a standard power outlet. Consult the lab instructions for correct pin placement.
Power on the computer and open the basic voltage capture application. Press run to ensure that the LVDT and conditioner function within a range from -10 to 10 volts.
Follow written lab instructions and measure the widths of these brass weights to aid in calibration. Record the voltages given by the test setup at each width. Once you have calibrated the LVDT and recorded the proper data, you may wire up the tensile test tower. This is done by loosening the set screw on the actuator and the set screw closest to the aluminum T-channel tower. Lock the wire on the bottom side of the set screw on the tower. Wrap the wire twice counterclockwise around the other screw on the tower. Lift the LVDT actuator to its max height and wrap the wire around the plastic mount twice clockwise. Then lock the wire under the second set screw. Cut the wire. Now you are ready to complete the lab. Add weight to the weight platform on the actuator in 10-gram increments until the wire breaks or elongates past measurable limits. Rewire the tensile tester for each wire sample.